Hi Shoebox friends! Today I stopped by JoAnn Fabrics, which is another store that's going out of business just like Party City and Big Lots recently. I don't usually shop here for shoeboxes, so I wanted to take a look and see what kind of items might work for the boxes, as well as what deals might be worth watching as the discounts increase. So let's jump into this walkthrough of JoAnn's and then stick around for a bonus Party City haul at the end. Though the Christmas items were marked down to 70% off, most of the store was only at 20 to 40% off so far, and they're expected to stay open until the end of May. That means the best deals are likely still to come. So I headed straight to the kids' craft and toy section, which unfortunately was still only a 20% discount. There were some larger craft kits, but what caught my eye were the variety of stickers and adorable crayon packs. I loved these Pop brand crayons that were in different shapes from unicorns to dinosaurs. They're perfect for the shoeboxes if the price is right. But most of the original prices were pretty high, so even with the discount, a lot of the items weren't a great deal yet. But as markdowns get deeper, there could be some great finds for the shoeboxes, and I thought these jellyfish markers were pretty cute. They also had this cute 4-pack of truck erasers. Right now it's at $1.99. So about $1.60 after the discount. I was really impressed with the quality of these Wild Republic animal sets. I thought this butterfly set was really pretty and unique. They also had a unicorn set, and it comes with different colors of unicorns. Any little girl would love that in her box. Each set was a little bit different as to how many animals it included. And they also had this endangered animal set with 18 pieces. There were so many different styles to choose from. This would be perfect for themed boxes, and they even had an astronaut set, which was really cute. All of these different styles were $10.99 originally, so as the discounts get better, these can make some really nice gifts for the shoeboxes. There were some different character play packs priced at $2 originally, as well as some of these Imagine Ink coloring books at $4.49 original price. These would all be perfect for different themed boxes once the prices drop. There were some Pop brand foam sticker packs in different themes for $5.99 originally. They also had a Crayola section with coloring books and a variety of coloring tools. While it was still a bit overpriced, I was surprised at how much of the stock seemed to already be picked over. If you're a crocheter or knitter, the yarn section is currently at 25% off. I know my daughter is waiting for the prices to drop a bit more before she can hopefully stock up on some great deals. My store was a bit messy, but the t-shirts here are currently 20% off, and the starting prices were around $4.99. I was impressed with the variety of puzzles they had. The original prices were around $15 to $20. So they're definitely on the pricier side, but if these get to 90% off, they would make a great quality addition to the shoeboxes, and some of them are really nice designs. There was a bead section with different packs of pony beads at 20% off currently. There were a lot of pretty styles and colors. The regular pony beads are at $4.49 originally, and then the more unique designs were at $5.49. I love these little safari animal beads. They would make a really cute set. And they also had some sea creature beads. So definitely something to look out for as clearance gets further reduced. They also had some really nice bead kits like this butterfly set here. And it's originally $7.99 in price, so about $6.39 right now. These different little figurines were pretty cute. They had a Stitch one that walks on the wall, and some Minnie and Mickey Mouse suction poppers. I I didn't see a price on them, so I'm not sure what they are. They also had some Pop brand Play-Doh, and it is $1 original price. That also is 20% off right now. While JoAnn's had a lot of great possibilities for the shoeboxes in the toys and the craft section, it seemed like most of the items were still way too pricey for my budget. I'm not sure how much of this will be left when the discounts reach 75 to 90% off, but for now I'm going to wait and see what I can find later on. I did also notice on my way out of the store that the Christmas fabrics were marked 40% off. So if you're a sewer, there might be some good deals here. This dino print was really cute, and it was originally $10.99 a yard. So even with the discount, it still seems a bit overpriced for fabric. I realized that Party City was also in the same shopping center as JoAnn's, so I thought I'd head over and see what the discounts were. This was a different store than I had been to previously, and so far it was 60 to 80% off. I know a lot of you have already had your Party Cities closed, but here in Florida, they're still open, and when I asked the cashier, she said that probably by the end of the month, they'll be going to 90% off. So if you have your Party Cities still open, then keep checking throughout the month. It should be going to 90% off. The selection in this Party City was definitely getting picked over, but there were still a few nice items left on the shelves. I thought these mermaid coin purses were really pretty, though I couldn't find their original price or where they were supposed to be hanging, so I'm not exactly sure what they would be after the discount. There were some mini bead sets still available, and this Mega Mix value pack caught my eye. It might be something nice to make filler packs with, though the quality wasn't the best and some of the items were kind of small, so I decided to pass for now. This 3-pack of Mickey characters was a pretty good deal. It was originally $5, so at 75% off, it was about $1.50 for the 3-pack. I also found these really cute astronaut pens, which I thought would be great for the older boys. They were $7.99 originally, so after the discount they were $2.40 for the 12-pack. There were also 12 packs of Thomas the Train crayon sets, which I thought would be perfect for filler gifts. This set was only $1.05 after the discount. Their lays were also marked at 75% off, but since they were single packs, I decided to wait since it still wasn't the best deal. And they also still had some tutus, which are always fun to pack. There were also still some beaded necklaces for 75% off. I did end up purchasing a few items that I thought were a pretty good deal, and I'll show you here my little haul. I picked up one of the tutus. I had already picked up one of these previously at a Party City, and I am planning to do 2 ballerina boxes, so I decided to get one more to finish the other box. I also got these really cute astronaut pens. I'm planning to put one in each of my 10 to 14-year-old boy boxes for my packing party. I just thought they were too cute to pass up, and they were about 20 cents a pen, which isn't too bad for a novelty pen. I also picked up a couple of these Thomas the Train crayon sets, and at less than 10 cents for each pack. I thought that was a decent filler crayon price, and I'm going to make some little coloring books to go along with these to send as filler to the processing center. And even though I don't really need coloring books, I did pick up a couple of these really cute Blue's Clues coloring books. They were only 60 cents each, so that's a pretty good price for coloring books, and I do have some cute dog stuffies that I could send with these. And lastly, I also have a green tablecloth. This is just for my own family with St. Patrick's Day coming up. So here's my little haul from Party City. I wasn't really planning on going into a Party City, but these were a pretty good price, and I already have plans for each of them. Speaking of plans, I decided to put these Thomas the Train crayon packs into little filler sets. I was really excited to find an already made Trains, Boats, and Planes coloring book on the Sending Shoeboxes Facebook page. It was perfect, and it had so many great coloring pages. I printed it double-sided with 4 pages per sheet to create mini coloring books. To add an extra fun activity, I also printed off some really nice mazes from OCC Shoebox Packers Facebook group. I cut the pages in half and I mixed the maze pictures in with the coloring pages to create a little coloring and activity book. Then I used my long neck stapler to staple them all together. I'm pretty happy with how these little activity books turned out, and I made 12 in total. For packaging, I'm just using regular sandwich-sized baggies. I also decided to add in some Jesus Loves You stickers that I recently ordered from Amazon, as well as these little pullback racer cars that I picked up on sale after Valentine's Day at the Dollar General. Since Samaritan's Purse wants these shoeboxes to be fun, I like to try to add in extra little toys in the filler packs if I can fit them. So altogether, these little packs cost me about 35 to 40 cents each. The pullback cars were 12 cents each, the crayon packs were 8 cents each, and I included 2 per bag. The stickers cost about 3 cents each, plus the cost of paper and the baggies. This is just a small extra gift, but hopefully it will bless shoeboxes at the processing center that might need an extra item or two. I already had almost a full box of filler from all my after Christmas and Valentine's Day shopping, so now I just need to add in the filler from today, along with the color-themed filler I packed last week for the March Filler Challenge. With all of that combined, I should have a fairly full box ready to tape shut until I can deliver it to the drop-off site during collection week. I hope this was helpful in giving you a look at what's available right now at JoAnn Fabrics with the current discounts. Also, if you have a Party City nearby, the selection might be getting thin, but 90% off should be coming soon. One more quick note before I go. Be careful when shopping online. There have been some fake JoAnn Fabrics websites popping up that look legit and are advertising items at 90% off. The real website is joann.com, so always double check that you're in the right place before making a purchase. Until next week, happy shopping and packing. God bless.